Stones are flush, beautiful bottoms, exhaust kit looking supreme, and here we are. Beautiful day. What's up guys, James Orlando here with Fatto A Mano Pizzeria. We're here at Castle Hospital Farmers Market, showing Albert my beautiful new Forno Bravo 110 trailer edition modular kit I built on my existing maxi trailer. And we're about a month into production. I did a 10-day cure on it, and it can fit 4 12-inch pizzas beautifully. Stones are flush, beautiful bottoms, exhaust kit looking supreme, and here we are. Beautiful day.
James, it really looks nice.
Thank you.
Did they, Forno Bravo shipped everything over to you?
They shipped everything on a pallet. They were very nice. They did forget 2 main things in the pallet, but they next day shipped it to me and said our apologies. So I love Steven over at Forno Bravo, great guy, and Tim, who I believe is the now current owner.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
So thank you, Forno Bravo.
How long did it take you to put it together?
We did it took us about 10 days.
Yeah.
10 days. Took 2 days off though. So 8 days.
Okay,
really.
8 days.
Yeah.
8 days. And did you build it on an existing trailer?
Yep, we built it on the existing maxi trailer that I had. That came from a company called Fire Within, based out of Fort Collins, Colorado, that also has done work with Forno Bravo.
My old buddy Ajit Dharma from the Fire Within.
Yeah.
They'll be really happy to hear about that.
Yeah.
And they partner with Forno Bravo and
Yep.
putting their ovens together, which is really cool.
Yeah.
So what are some of the other features of this baby?
Some of the other features is, besides it looking beautiful, this Duratec exhaust that I can actually just take off that's insulated. So literally just twist it and it comes off. So for every market pop-up, you just slide it on, righty-tighty, and that thing is not going anywhere. So I like the exhaust because my old oven did not have an exhaust. So now with airflow going in, it has somewhere where the air can come out, so it's creating more of a convection style bake, which is making a more even cook time. And my old oven, thank God no one saw it. It was cracked to hell, and the floor was super rugged and was very bad. Now this floor is very beautiful, it's very flush, it's very even, and the stone retains so much heat. I'm using 50% less wood.
No kidding. Wow. So not only are you getting the heat up to pizza
Temperature. It's
temperature, but
temperature.
it's very efficient.
After 24 hours of usage, it is still 700 degrees inside of this oven.
No kidding. Say that one more time.
After 24 hours of usage, it is still at 700 degrees Fahrenheit inside this oven.
Without throwing any more wood in.
Without throwing any more wood.
Unbelievable.
Yeah. So
now, as well as being an oven owner, you're also a pizza maker and a master pizza
Thank you.
At Fatto A Mano. Tell us a little bit about your operation here.
Fatto A Mano, we are a 100% mobile business. We do 4 farmers markets a week across the island of Oahu. And today is our last day of the week. Every Sunday, we're at the Castle Market Farmers Market from 8 a.m. till noon. We do naturally leavened sourdough pizza. I would say more in the realm of Neapolitan. I like to do some things New York style, some things Neapolitan. We house pull our own mozzarella. We are now bringing in grande cheese curd with our friends Brickfire Tavern. Shouts out to Matt Rissich, a good friend of mine.
Good man.
Grande cheese curd is like supreme cheese curd to be pulling by hand. We're in the spiritual sense of farm to pizza. Around 75% of all of our toppings are from local vendors and local farmers. I work with 7 farms, specifically Ahiki Acres in Waimanalo, Ma'o Farms, as well as Kahumana Farms, and Forge Hawaii for all of my local beef and pork. And yeah, I'm about to launch your pizza right now. This is our special of the week called the Mother Chorizo, aka the beef thing. It's got house pulled mozzarella, manchego, Spanish cured chorizo, grilled jalapenos, and when it comes out, we have the Mike's Hot Honey and fresh cilantro.
All right, great.
Beautiful. I actually grill the jalapenos in a little bit of cumin, garlic, and a bunch of fresh orange zest.
Oh, that's fantastic.
All right, into my favorite Forno Bravo 110.
Yeah, Forno Bravo is a wonderful company.
I love Forno Bravo. I was gonna go with Munyaini, but they did not make a 110 kit. So in the in the modular oven world, everything's based on like 100, 120, 140, and that's pretty much, I believe, all centimeters, or not necessarily inches. It's a degree of measurement, where this cooking floor is, I believe, 46 inches of a perfect circle. My old kit from a company called Bel Forno, based out of the Carolinas, that was only 38 inches. I could barely fit 2 pizzas in there at a time. And with our current operation, we're doing about 600 pizzas a week. And when we tag on caterings and private events, we'll go all the way up to 800. And our record was 1,100 pizzas in 1 week.
Wow.
A lot of pizzas. And
That's a lot of pie.
I did that out of the Bel Forno kit.
Yep.
What I love about this oven is the bottoms of all my pizzas now are coming out. I'm like so proud of all the bottoms.
So you're getting a real char there on the bottom.
Perfect. Like the bottom is like browning so evenly, and the tops are leoparding perfectly. And I should have built a new oven last summer. I was a little late to the game, but we are loving it. And I don't want to brag, it is aesthetically a little bit more beautiful than my previous home-built oven.
Yeah, brag on.
And I waterproofed it a lot.
Oh, no kidding.
So where I live, it does rain a little bit in Palolo Valley.
Yep.
And so far, so good. There's no leakage at all. It can sit outside and 100% waterproof. It rained yesterday at the farmer's market, and you just see all the droplets of water forming and just coming directly off.
That's wonderful.
It was a big lesson learned. Shouts out to YouTube for any questions while building a mobile oven.
Okay.
And shouts out to all my friends that helped me. My buddy Aaron Moss, Bianca helped me, Catherine helped me, and it was a good time.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Well, we're looking forward to the pizza. I'm sure it's going to be great.
Check out the bottom. Look at that.
Wow.
How's that look?
Leoparding, beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
How's the other side?
Oh, man. Awesome. I
Quick
can't
little
wait.
kiss of the dome. Take it out. How's that look?
Oh, man, it looks like a winner.
I'm obsessed with this cooling rack right here.
Well, James, thanks a lot for taking time
Thank you.
to hang out with me.
You.
And, you know, what I'm going to do, of course, is I'll put all links below this video so they can contact you. Come to Fatto A Mano. They're all over Oahu. They're doing it 4 days a week.
We're
All
here.
right.
We're
Thank
live.
you. Thanks a lot, my friend.
Thanks, Albert.
Okay, we've got the Mike's Hot Honey to finish off the pie. Oh, that's a beauty.
Mother Chorizo, aka the Bee Sting Mark III.
All right. Thanks a lot, James.
Yeah.
This is your new special.
My new special,
Chorizo.
Mother Chorizo. We're probably going to have it a little bit more regularly because this has been the most it's been the most requested pizza that we've done.
Right. Okay. All right. Thanks, my friend.
Thanks, Albert.
Thank you.